All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford F-150 XLT model. This beautiful white with 3,000 miles. That's right, folks, only 3,000 miles. Alloy wheels, premium sound system, stereo wheel controls. It is the, I believe, the Eco Boost with the gray interior. Fog lights, super nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? Not really. Tire tread is at 530 seconds. Let me double check it. That's right, we're at 530 seconds. This door doesn't have anything there. Thought it was a chip. It's just some dirt. But this, some more dirt. Doors are good. Quarter is good. Rear driver's rim, very nice. No curbing here. Tire tread on 3,000 miles is 1030 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof for what that looks like. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders, which turns into another seat, as you can see. All right, let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Check out instrument cluster, stuff like that. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals, still wrapped up in its package. Check out pictures for more details on that. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your 4x4 action. Your steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure on. And your mileage of 3,522. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Let's see what's here. I don't know what this is. Ah, it's overhead lights. That's awesome. I didn't know they had the lights for back here. That's dope. There's the your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. These things do fold up, and then you have all this beautiful space here. All right. Keeping it moving. Your rear bumper looks good as well. Your rear lift gate looks good. Here's what your trunk space looks like, or your cargo area. Very nice. Your bed. All right. Your quarter looks good. Here's your rear rear passenger rim. Very nice, no curbing. Tire tread is at 1030 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on here, this one opens up to a little one. All right, got a little thing here. Pow. Rear front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tires right here is at 1130 seconds. Fog lights are working, lights are on, things are running. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2017 Ford F-150, the XLT model with 3,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.